Hello, hi guys! Magandang hapon sa inyo lahat. This is your Papasiguro channel, a faith healer, also mata reader. So ngayong hapon na tingnan natin ang nagsabihin sa iyo ng ating mga gabay. This is monthly gabay for the month of November 2023 for the sign of Virgo. So Virgo, welcome to my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices, and spirit guides ang ating masasaga for today's video? Kanino naman kayang energy or kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Virgo sa isang ating mga hagilap? So guys, this reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po ang makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. And hit notification bell for more videos update. And of course, maraming salamat sa walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel. Lalong-lalo na hindi nag-skip ng ads, naway pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapasiksik-tiglig na umapang bumalik sa inyong biyaya. So, umpisa na natin ang laban for the sign of Virgo. Monthly gabay for the month of November 2023 for the sign of Virgo. Ano ang pinaka-messages, advices for you? Ano kaganapan sa buong buwan ng November ang mangyayari sa inyo, no? There is a King of Swords, being wise, no? Kailangan maging wise ka dito. And of course, there's a maging wise at maging matalino dahil there's a Seven of Swords. There's a cheating lying on you, no? Kumbaga may taong susubok lokohin ka o budulin ka or something, no? Or there is a sneakiness. And because there's a Six of Swords, Six of Wands. There is a victory and success. At the end of the time, magtatagumpay ka. And of course, there is a Three of Wands. Waiting for Three of Pentacles. There's waiting for a result or something na about sa negosyo, trabaho at buhay, collaborations, no? Kumbaga magtatagumpay ka dyan, kailangan daw ng teamwork. And because there is a King of Pentacles, kumbaga secure about sa finances, kailangan maging secure ka. At the same time, let's see what is additional messages. And of course, there's Ten of Swords, no? Kumbaga maging secure ka kasi maraming backstabbing, maraming taong baka meron dito sa mufyuhan. Kumbaga there's investment scam or something nalolokoy kay bibishay ka kumbaga may reto or something na parang ano siya. Parang pinahiram mo or something na guarantor, no? Kailangan maging aware ka, secure ka about sa finances kasi may taong lolokohin ka dito or kumbaga magsisinungaling sa'yo, ganyan, maraming hidden agenda or something na kumbaga may red flag with the judgment, no? May red flag. Kumbaga pag ito yung red flag, kumbaga bibigyan ka ng signs or synchronicities ng ating angel spirit na makinig ka, no? Kumbaga merong ihatid sa yung red flag na kailangan mag-pay attention ka, ganon. And because there is an Eight of Pentacles. Kumbaga either katrabaho mo to, no? And of course, there's a Six of Wands. There's a Chariot card na parating ang tagumpay dito. And of course, parating ang victory sa'yo. So, you need to take an action for this. Because there is an Eight of Wands. There's a fast communication and fast movement, no? There's an email or messages ka matatanggap. So, let's see what is the King of Pentacles. And of course, there's the Emperor, a mature, no? Kailangan maging mature ka, di ka na dapat nagpapabudol o nagpapauto, no? Kumbaga, or some of you, baka mas mataas yung pwesto nito sa'yo, baka naghanap siya na mauutangan or something na kailangan maging aware ka, no? And of course, there is a baka ito yung magbigay sa'yo ng conflict and of course, problema. Kumbaga maging aware ka, ibibetray ka dito. So, what is the King of Swords in the Judgment? And of course, there is an Empress card, a revert renewal, no? Parang sinasabi sa'yo dito na mukhang maging wise at maging matalino ka dito. So, what is the Seven of Swords and of course the Eight of Pentacles? There's the Wheel of Fortune. A turning event, no? Maaari nga saswertihin ka na this time. Six of Wands and of course the Chariot card. There's a everything is fine, no? Kumbaga, sa dami mong pinagdaanan, sa dami mong pagsubok na naramdaman, naranasan, kumbaga, patuloy ka pa rin lumalaban, no? So, what is the Three of Pentacles and the Eight of Wands? Because there's a two of wands, two path, no? There's a two directions or something, two ways, no? Na kailangan mong pag-isipan or pagpilian, no? Kailangan tignan mo yung both sides of situation kung makakabuti ba o makakasama sa'yo. So, let's see what is the King of Pentacles and the Emperor. There is a Queen of Swords. So, there is a bigger picture. Tingnan mo lagi yung kahihinatnan or yung advantage or disadvantage ng isang bagay, no? Kailangan maging secure ka, of course, kailangan maging mature ka. Kailangan tingnan mo kagad yung magiging kalalabasan ng eksena. Kung either or possibilities, no? Kumaga, pag ito pinautang or kung ito ginaratoran ko, mababayaran niya ba ito? May garantiya ba ako na, kumbaga mahuhulugan niya may responsibilities niya or something. Kumbaga, some of you guys, maging mature ka kasi ang pera kapag talaga yung mga tao sa paligid mo, tuso, no? So, what is the Ten of Swords and the Five of Wands? So, there's a Knight of Sword, no? Magiging mabilis tong eksena na to. Itatakbuhin, kumbaga, may nasense ako dito na parang tatakbong parang itatakbo yung perang hiniram mo o kahit tatakbo yung hinahiraman ng pera mo, kumbaga, or pinahiram mo ng pera, tatakbuhan ka, or something na ginatoran mo sa iba, gano'n, kumbaga, tumakbo at tinakasan, ikaw na magbabayad, parang gano'n, kaya maging aware ka. So, let's see what is the outcome. Outcome is the Four of Pentacles. Protect your power, protect your energy. Additional messages. There's a Two of Pentacles. Balance. Kailangan maging balance ka, no? Tingnan mo lagi yung kahihinatnan or magiging possibilities. And of course, there's an Ace of Pentacles. There's a big money coming in for you. A big opportunities and a big material offer. Pasabog, the Wheel of Fortune is turning to your favor. Pasabog. Let's see what is the angel's number. So, this is the November of your month. Parang sinasabi na this is your month, no? This is your month, pero kailangan maging, di ba? Maging wais. And of course, there is a 9 for I am compassionate. So, let's see. It's your compassion that makes you shine. You are be devoted and of course to helping to the greater good and have a strong talent for speaking of for others. Your soul is most satisfied when you being of service. So, ibig sabihin of either you are being basta public servant or kumbaga servisyo mo ay makatulong sa ibang tao. Parang ganun. So, let's see what is the Love Oracle card. The Chaser, no? There's an abandonment issue. So, ibig sabihin talagang nangyari na to sa iyo. So, maging aware ka na lang, no? And because there's a mirror. Kumaga, sinasabi sa'yo dito, mayroong nang lamat eh. Kapag gano'n na, pag may red flag na gano'n na mahirap singilin or mahirap pahiramin, parang gano'n. Kumaga, maging aware ka na, huwag ka nagpapautang sa kanya ulit. Parang gano'n. So, let's see what is the Yin and Yang Oracle card. There's a close off guarded. Protection na may sarili mo, no? Let's see additional messages. There's a tactics. O, see? Control. Diba? Tactics niya yan eh. Kumbaga, ano niya yan eh. Kumbaga, karakas niya eh, no? And of course, there is a nurturer. Kumbaga, nurture na sa'yo yung pagiging mabuti. Pero kailangan mo maging aware. Diba? Let's see what is additional messages. Additional messages. There is an health. No, ibig sabihin there's an health issues. Additional messages, there's a humor. No, kumbaga there's a sense of humor. Kailangan tingnan mo yung both sides of situation. And because there's a denial, no? Kailangan maging kumbaga yung fear mo, no? Alisin mo yung fear mo, replace mo yan by your awareness. So let's see what is Archangel Michael messages for you. What is Archangel Michael messages for you? Okay, there is use your imagination and you see the answer, no? Gamitan mo lagi ito ng advantage or possibilities, no? Kailangan mag-isip ka kagad na magiging posibilidad. The person that you're asking is about trustworthy. Yung taong kinakausap mo, maaari mapagkakatiwalaan mo, no? Humingi ka ng advice sa kanya. So, what is the Jesus loving quote? Either baka yung guardian angel or yung gabay mo yan. Or, I will not leave you comfortless, I will come to you. Ibig sabihin dito, hindi kayo iwan ni God ng luhaan or problemado. No? Bibigyan ka ni God ng instrumento para makatulong sa'yo. So, let's see what is the Moonology. Monthology represent the personal issue reaches resolution, no? Masusolusyonan na rin yung problema pinagdadaanan mo. A time to give rather than take. Some of you guys, kailangan mo talaga ng gugulin ng panahon at oras, no? So, let's see what is the energy. What is this energy? Second chakra, Archangel Chamuel, Ariel, about sa finances. Natutulungan ka raw ng Archangel Ariel about sa finances and walking away. See? Kailangan mong kumawala sa sitwasyon or something. Baka takbuhan ka nga, no? So, let's see what is additional messages. What is additional messages? And of course, guys, there's a Earth Pulse here. So, some of you time in nature. So, kailangan mo mag-unwind or something slow down. Maging mahinahon, no? And of course, surrender to the sweetness. Kailangan i-surrender mo kay God. And of course, hingiin mo sa Kanya yung gabay. Kumbaga, mag-enjoy ka at mahalin mo yung sitwasyon mo rin daw, no? Additional messages. And there's an autumn, harvest time. Wow! Abundance is coming. So, mag-prepare ka na raw, no? Yayaman ka na this time. Para in Jesus' name. And of course, there's an astral. Dream time soul travel. Some of you, mayroon ditong spirituality na kaya-kaya mo makapag-travel ng iyong soul. And of course, there's an expansion. Palalawakin ang kaalaman mo, papalawakin ang kaisipan mo. And of course, there's a kitchen, your creations, no? Ikaw yung maglalagay ng bagay kung saan ka nararapat, no? Kaya mo mag-create at kaya mo mag-destroy. And of course, there's a change, no? May pagbabago. May pagbabagong magaganap. Additional messages. And there's a body work. Kailangan mo din daw ng massage. So, let's see what is Archangel Raphael messages for you. Archangel Raphael messages for you. Okay. Okay, let's see. Home help. So, kailangan talaga ng tulong ng inyong tahanan. So, humingi ka rin ng gabay kay ating Archangel Raphael. Some of you baka may mga sakit kayo dyan, ha? And of course, there is a service. So, some of you home service or something, nagsiservisyo ka, no? Sa ating, sa yung, nasa paligid mo. There's a prayer. So, ibig sabihin dito, magdasal-dasal ka lang daw, no? What is the romance angels? Calling your soulmate. So, ibig sabihin, tumawag ka sa yung, maaring parating yung soulmate mo, yung prayer, no? Kumbaga, maaring dumating na yung, man of your dream or girl of your dreams, no? So, let's see what is the messages of life. Truth. My goodness, ang katotohanan, no? Today, I discover my greatest truth is within me. It's a divine force that whisper for my inner soul. I listen to this voice, closely putting aside my controlling mind. In this way, I find all the answers I am looking for. I am now in a harmony in myself, and I welcome to the love of God, which is the truth that will is guide me towards the fullest, most shining radiance. Ibig sabihin dito ang katotohanan daw ay may lalantad na sa'yo. No, kumbaga, maging totoo ka lang sa sarili mo at maging totoo ka lang sa paligid mo, no? Kumbaga ang blessing na ang darating na tuloy-tuloy na papasok sa iyo. No, kailangan maging totoo ka sa lahat ng bagay at maging kumbaga kung totoo ka sa sarili mo, lalo-lalo sa ibang tao, no? Kumbaga, kahit na anong gawin mo, kumbaga talagang darating sa'yo ang kasaganahan at darating sa'yo ang kaligayahan. Kailangan mo lang maniwala at magtiwala na lahat ng bagay na pinagdadasal mo ay mangyayari at maghahari nawa. So guys, this is monthly gabay for the month of November 2023 for the sign of Virgo. Maraming salamat, Virgo, for your wonderful reading. And see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush.